Hey kids! Welcome to Hip Hop TV, where learning meets fun. So get ready to laugh, learn, and groove, only on Hip Hop TV.
Good morning, sun, hello, new day. I feel happy in every way. I brush my teeth, I comb my hair. I'm ready now, I'm full of care. I wear my shoes, I pack my bag, wave bye-bye with a happy tag. Step by step, I start to go, learning something new, you know. I try my best in all I do. If I fall, I start anew. I stand up tall, I smile again. Trying once more is how I win. I clean my toys, I help at home. I know I'm never all alone. I share my things, I wait my turn. So many things I start to learn. I say please and thank you too. Kind little words are strong and true. If I make a small mistake, I say sorry for goodness sake. I help my friends, I help my class. Each small moment quickly pass. Little steps but growing strong. I'm getting better all day long. I laugh, I play, I sing my song, feeling happy all day long. When the day is almost done, I think, wow, today was fun. I close my eyes, I rest my head. Dreams of tomorrow fill my bed. Good night, stars, good night, moon. I'll see you all again soon.